Okay guys, here is my Funko Pop review of Hiccup from How to Train Your Dragon 2. This is quite possibly my favorite movie. Like, I think it is, to be honest. It's between Avengers and How to Train Your Dragon 2. But yeah, honestly, like it's a perfect movie for like a son and mother because, Hiccup finds his mother in this one. And I went into this with my ma, just us two, and I was not expecting this. Like, yo, I was crying. This is how good this movie was. I was crying. But yeah. Here's the box. Yeah. Okay, so this one I actually saw several Hiccups and several Astrids and some of the first Guardians in a dang price tag though in a 7-Eleven, and I was so stupid. I was thinking of getting Hiccup and Astrid, but then I didn't. I really want Toothless, but I think I'll just wait for the third How to Train Your Dragon. Hopefully they make him Beast, and hopefully that movie is as gallant or even better as the second movie. You need to watch it in 3D because those flight sequences in the second one, like, bro, like, you can't even. So anyways, I got this guy from a place called the Toy Box. Yeah, it's kind of more expensive there. But kind of the price you pay for not getting it while you can. They even have the little like shoulder paint on his shoulder pad. Can't really see it that well, but like if you've seen the movie, you get it. But yeah. I like how his character, like, they hella upgrade a bunch of stuff. Like, he has the flame sword, which I wish they actually put the flame. But then he has like stuff coming out the hilt, and then he has the peg leg that can switch with like, along with like Toothless's broken wing and stuff like that. But yeah, there's a Hiccup. His eye's a bit meshy. Yeah. Yeah, see, compared to that eye. And then a little like, kind of like Jedi stuff. But yeah. There you go. There's Hiccup from the How to Train Your Dragon 2 line. And there you go. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.